All right, it was Prime Day this week, and like most people, I decided to participate a little bit in getting some things. I'm not someone that buys a lot of stuff online. Every once in a while I do, but I thought, you know what, there's some great deals to be had. Here's what we got. Okay. All right, we got one thing here, the Aieve coffee adapter. So what this does, it allows us to take regular pods and adapt them to the AeroPress. So I thought it might be kind of fun to do a video about it and try it out and just see if, well, I don't know. What else do we have in here? Oh, we've also got this Anker Series 3. This is a great deal on Prime Day, about $15, so really super cool. When you're making videos on YouTube and doing some traveling, you can never really be without a battery or power bank. And this one's like 10,000 BTU, 10,000 whatever BTUs, 10, I don't know, 10,000 lumens or whatever. Either way, it was pretty cool, really very affordable. The other one that I feel like I looked at was bigger capacity, could power like laptops, but it was like 60 bucks. This one's only $15. So what a great deal that is. Got this big box here. Now, I don't know if you're like me, but sometimes I'll order things and I just don't remember what it was. This is one of those times. I think I remember what's in here, but I don't really recall 100%. Ooh. Got two items. Oh, what's this small? We got a small item in here. This is a little thing made in China, espresso maker. What? Oh, that's right. These are the parts Plunger. So if you've got an old AeroPress, like if you've been using AeroPress for a while and you use it regularly, or even if you don't use it regularly, the rubber pieces will kind of wear out. And so, oh, there's two Plungers. This is an old AeroPress. This is a pretty old generation, and they get real sticky and they shrink. So they shrink. This one's not shrinking. Some of the other ones shrank. Actually, the other one shrank. Like this one is shrunk, right? Like this one I put this metal foil because it was so sticky. Upcoming video on that. We have this thing. Oh, that's right. This is actually something called the Coffee Gator. And it's a pour-over coffee maker that I thought was kind of interesting when I saw it. It was pretty inexpensive, so I thought, let me give it a try. We'll do it head-to-head. It looks kind of like a Chemex, and so I thought that we will give it a try. But instead of having a, paper filter, it comes with this metal mesh filter. Oh, it's nicely packaged. This is one of those older school kind of like mesh filters. So there's both perforated stainless and then an inner mesh. I always kind of wonder about these inner meshes. Like this seems pretty fine as far as the mesh goes, but I always feel like they get, like particulates will get stuck in the mesh. And since now there's two layers, I'm concerned that there's going to be like small particulates stuck between the layers. They'll get through one of the holes and just kind of get stuck there and float around. But we'll see what happens. And then this is the carafe for it. It's kind of like baby Chemex. This one holds up to 800 mils. I wonder though how it compares with the regular Chemexes. Oh, they're kind of similar in size. This is the 6 cup. This is the 1 cup. That kind of gives you a little bit of an idea. But very similar in size, lighter weight. Like you can feel that there's, this is definitely lighter, this is definitely heavier, and this is just the commercial glass one. This is not the hand blown. As you can see, there'll be some videos coming up about a couple of these different products, so keep those in mind. And if you like that, be sure to check out this video on the AeroPress Clear that's coming out very soon, if it hasn't come out already. Yep, there it is.